we'll explore the fascinating history of the Colonel Simón Reyes Hernandez Provincial Museum, which is considered the top municipal museum in Cuba.
Simón Reyes Hernández.
The museum was established in March 1983 and is housed in a stunning mustard yellow building with a typical Avelian porch, reflecting the colonial construction style of the 19th century. Interestingly, this building was initially constructed as a command center for the Spanish Army, and later served as the electoral board seat during the neo-colonial republic. In 1960, it was transformed into the barracks of the Revolutionary Militia, where troops left for the fight in the Escambre. The museum boasts incredible exhibitions, including a scale model of La Troca, information about Afro-Cuban culture and religion, and a rich collection of traditional festivals of Ciego de Avila. The museum's 5 permanent exhibition rooms are divided into themes of archaeology, colony, republic, achievements of the revolution, and religious syncretism.